So this placemat is called the place value comparisons, and it's just what we've been doing all along, but now we're adding another level of rigor to it, right? So your students are going to create, or with you, numerals and complete all the forms of this. So we have the numeral, word form, place value forms, and here we're going to make sure that the students know how many hundreds and actually draw out the representation of each of those. So 3 flats, 4 rods, 2 units, and then they're going to expand it down. Below, they're going to have a second numeral that they expand and represent right here. The goal of this one is for students to understand place value and how to compare correctly. So 342 is less than 324 because they're going to write that out, if it's true. 342 is greater than 324, write it out because. Or if it happens to be equivalent, write it out and because. Making sure that they understand and go, well, this number is greater because of the rods, or this number is greater because of the flats, or the units, something like that.